This is my beautiful 1984 mongoose Californian. Yes, sir. She is quite a beauty. Got some knockoff handlebars. That's about the only thing I don't care for. Got the Era Correct Amy grips, the MX brakes, the little SR stem, which is original to the back, the die comp, hinged seat post clamp, Dominator seat with a laid back seat post. Got the little tennis shoe brake stopper pad thingies. Yeah. Original crank. Original SR pedals, looking sweet. She is a beauty. This is the one bike I can't seem to part with, because I just love looking at it. And go from the old school to the new school. This is what we ride though. I think it's about a 2008 maybe MCS Tracer with all the sweet, sexy, nasty stuff on it. The Envy wheels with, let's see what we got, bombshell hubs, sick answer cranks. We got some Wellgo MG5 pedals, redline seat post, tangent seat, and kicking it old school with the handlebars with some old power band bars. We got the Box 2 stem FSA headset with some Sins carbon forks. Sweet ride. Smooth as glass. The new and the old. It's a hard choice. Yep. Thank you guys for watching.